Hi YouTubers, hi. I thought I would do a vlog from outside to show you the sights and sounds of where I live. So this is Queen's Park. This is Queen's Park. It's down by Queen's Terrace, and it's the first park you'll come across when you come to Southampton to look around if you're visiting, especially if you come by cruise ship or boat, which stops just over there. That's Admiralty House. And that's the, I think it's the old docks, just through that gap there. That's the old customs building. That's now student accommodation, I believe. If you look around here, this is Queen's Terrace. Great sandwich shop down there. And, oh, a bit sweaty. And as we come back, you can see Southwestern House down the bottom, although it's a bit blurred by the sun. So this is the part of Southampton that I love the most. I really love this part of Southampton. It's quiet, it's old, it's got old buildings, it's a mixture of modern and old, mainly old. And then we get a good view of the park. There's Admiralty House. And if we walk up this way, you'll see the monument to Gordon of Khartoum on the far side. There we go, over there. Okay, more in a bit. So this is Oxford Street. The building you see down the bottom is the old railway station. It's the famous bunch of grapes where people used to drink before leaving for the Titanic. Give you a good panoramic view. These old buildings. There's a couple of places up for let down here. Down the bottom here, if I can get a good shot, is the LGBT plus bar, the gay bar, the London Hotel, which is quite famous in Southampton. So I'll see you in a minute. And there's the London Hotel, with the pride flag flying gloriously. And that's the old railway station. It's now a casino. If we go to the end of the street, you might get a better shot of the Southwestern Hotel, which is now sort of let flats and stuff and a cafe. So there we are. There's Southwestern House in all its glory. The old hotel, the railway station. Okay, that's Holyrood Church, bombed during the Second World War. That's one of our famous Booba. Not so famous. This is part of the High Street. That's an old bank building that survived the Blitz, as you can see. And the Dolphin Hotel up there is where Jane Austen used to stay. And if we pan up this way, there's St Michael's Church in the Old Town. We're in Old Town now. And if we just walk down here, we get a view at the bottom of the High Street with the old post office in the distance. We're in the Old Town now, as you can see. There's Tudor House. This is St Michael's Church. And get a better shot of it from the front here. This is St Michael's Square. There's Tudor House. Some modern buildings there. Some old buildings there. In the front of St Michael's Church. That was shot up by a German aircraft during the war, during the Second World War. And I'll just get you a shot of down Bugle Street, down towards the Isle of Wight ferry, and then the other way, looking towards more modern buildings and the Titanic pub on the corner. Okay, that's Old Town. Two buses up against the city walls. This is the city walls. There's some of them still left, looking out towards West Quay, which was the quay and the ocean, but it's all reclaimed land now. That's the city walls. And there is the Bargate. 10th, 11th century building, I believe. It's the entrance to the old Southampton. I'll get a better picture of it from the front. There's the bar gate. 10th, 11th century, I believe. There's a development going on the side here which is going to look like that when it's open. So I'll do some more videoing then. That's the bar gate. Hello again. Well, we're in Houndswell Park now. This is one of the parks in Southampton. Get that bug off my head. There are a lot of parks in Southampton. Hoglands is just over there. This is Houndswell. Just beyond Houndswell on the other side is Palmerston Park, and then it goes all the way up to the Civic Centre and the park's up there. So I thought I'd end this vlog here so you've seen basically some of the sights and sounds of where I live, mainly in the city centre. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll try and do another one later on, a bit later on, but this is part of an experiment and I'll let you know what that experiment is a bit later on. Okay, thanks for watching, YouTubers, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.